Hello everyone. So how to unlock video chat in Tinder? So I'll just show you on example of this screenshot. So where it is? So basically when you match on Tinder and you start talking with the match, after a few messages you will see this pop up here. It's like check out the chemistry with a quick face-to-face. When you're both interested, you'll unlock video chat. So you just need to tap I'm interested. And then probably your match also need to tap that, and then when your boss have I'm interested, the video chat will be unlocked. So that's that, and yeah, that's how you access it. There is no specific menu or button in the chat where you can have it, so don't search it there. So just start talking and then you will see this new pop-up. So that's kind of the new feature. That's how you access it. Thanks for watching.